Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to extract or get your PayPal QR code for many transactions or as a payment gateway. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is quite simple, and I should mention that you can do this on either the PayPal website or the browser site, like I'll show you in a sec, or the PayPal application on your phones. So be it on different platforms like Android or iOS, it should work just the same. Now, the idea here is starting with the PayPal app, you guys would want to open the application normally. And what's going to happen is you're going to want to navigate to your account information. So you want to click on pay and get paid at the top of your account. So this is going to be your profile icon. And there should be an option there that says QR code under payments. So if you check here, here's what it will look like. For the applications, you can share your QR code. You can have your customer scan it. You can have your customer enter the amount paid, and you would get paid for it. So there are many applications for this, and it's pretty cool. Now, when you guys click on the QR code tab, you would want to click on generate your own QR code, and this would prompt you to download your QR code, which you get to print or save, or you can click on more and get paid with QR codes, as you can see here. So you can do it through the app or the website, and it looks a little something like this, as you guys can see. So here's what it looks like. And the cool thing about it is these QR codes are actually tied to a redirect for the checkout page, as you can see here. So it's pretty much unique, and PayPal does all of the work for you. It just generates a code, as you can see here. So if you were on Mac, here's what it would look like. So it just generates a code, and you could add an email tied to it, as well as the function. So it could be buy now, as you can see, a title, a currency, a thank you URL, but these ones aren't really necessary. But yeah, that's honestly all there is to it. So hopefully this video helped you guys out, and if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. So yeah, thank you for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.